In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view and navigate your chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online using the current desktop interface. The chart of accounts is the backbone of your bookkeeping. It's the master list of all the accounts you use to categorize money coming in and going out, like bank accounts, income, expenses, and equity. Knowing how to find it and move around confidently will save you time and help you keep your records accurate. Start from your QuickBooks Home dashboard. From here, click All Apps. This opens the area where you can access different parts of your accounting setup. Under Accounting, click Chart of Accounts. That takes you to the main list of accounts for your company. On this screen, you'll see several helpful columns. Number is the account code, if you use numbering. Name is the account's label, like checking or office supplies. Account type defines the broad category, such as bank, income, or expense, which affects how it displays on reports. Detail type gives a more specific classification within that category, helping with accurate reporting. Tax indicates the tax line mapping, important for returns and compliance. QuickBooks Balance reflects the balance based on your recorded transactions. Bank Balance appears for connected bank accounts and shows the latest balance from your bank feed. Finally, the Action column gives you tools to manage each account. If you're looking for something specific, use the Filter by Name or Number search bar at the top. Type part of an account's name or its number to quickly narrow the list. This is especially useful if your chart of accounts has many entries. When you find the account you want to work with, go to the Action column and click the small arrow to open the dropdown. Here, you can edit the account details to correct a name, type, or detail type. You can make the account inactive if you no longer use it, which hides it from your active list without deleting history. You can run a report to view all transactions related to that account, great for reviews and reconciliations. Or choose Account History to see detailed activity, including dates, payees, memos, and amounts. If you prefer, you can click Run Report directly next to the account name to jump right into the account's report. To dive deeper into individual entries, click Account History to see the running ledger-style view. When you need to create a new account, click New in the top right and fill in the required fields. Choose the correct account type and detail type to ensure clean reporting. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.